If you use Evernote for work, school, content planning, or daily organization, learning how to create templates can save you a ton of time. Instead of rebuilding the same note over and over again, you can make one polished layout, save it, and reuse it anytime you need it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create templates in Evernote step by step on desktop, so you can set up a system that makes your notes faster, cleaner, and way more consistent. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the Evernote desktop app and create a brand new note. This is where your template begins. Think of this note as the master version of the layout you want to reuse later. Give it a clear title so you can recognize it easily, something like Meeting Notes Template, Content Planner, Weekly Checklist, or Project Outline. The goal here is to build a note that already has the structure you want every time you start a new one. Now start designing the note using Evernote's formatting tools. You can add headings, bullet points, checkboxes, task lists, tables, reminder sections, or any other layout elements that fit your workflow. For example, if you want a meeting template, you might add sections for agenda, notes, action items, and follow-up tasks. If you want a productivity template, you might add a daily priorities section, a to-do list, and a notes area. Take your time here, because the better you build this note now, the more useful your template will be later. Once your note looks the way you want, go to the top right corner of the note window and click the More Actions menu, which is the three dots icon. This is where Evernote keeps extra note options. From the drop-down menu, choose Save As Template. That tells Evernote to turn this note into a reusable template instead of just a regular note. After you click Save As Template, Evernote will ask you to name your template. Choose a name that makes sense and is easy to find later. Keep it simple and descriptive so you'll know exactly what it does when you need it again. Once you've named it, click Save to finish the process. Your custom template is now stored in Evernote and ready to use whenever you need a new note with the same structure. To use your template in the future, create a new note and look for the Start from a Template banner or the Open Gallery button. This is where you can access your saved templates. Click into the My Templates section, find the template you created and select it. Then choose Apply Template or Use this template, depending on what Evernote shows on your version. The template will load into your new note, giving you the exact layout you built earlier. This is incredibly useful if you repeat the same kind of note every day or every week. It keeps your formatting consistent, helps you work faster, and makes sure you never have to start from scratch again. You can make templates for meetings, project planning, client notes, study notes, content calendars, journaling, brainstorming, and more. The more you use templates, the more organized your Evernote workspace becomes. A good tip is to keep your templates clean and flexible. Leave spaces for custom details, and don't overcrowd the layout with too much text. That way, you can reuse the same template for different situations without having to edit it too much each time. You can also create multiple templates for different tasks, so your workflow stays simple and efficient. And that's it. You now know how to create templates in Evernote and use them again anytime you want. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.